going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm gonna make a song and a beat. I'm gonna try to make sure the audio doesn't get messed up. We just hit 500 subscribers. Thank you, guys. I didn't think I was ever gonna get to this point. It means a lot to me. If you didn't know, I'm doing a giveaway at 500 subs. I'm giving away one of these bundles. You can still enter the giveaway and everything. All you gotta do is just subscribe, turn the notifications on for my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Follow that. I'm picking the winner from my follower list. I should fuck with my SoundCloud, but yeah, let's get into it. I think I'm gonna make something slower. I'm gonna start with the drums first. Yeah, that's like weird enough. Oh, fuck. Now it's time to mix.
Be going on, but lately I've been smoking strong. I can't think of a thing at all. It comes straight through my head. I don't know what's going on with me. I wish I'm dead. I burn a sick for a bunch of breakfast just to fill my head. Getting stuck and drunk, I cannot give a fuck. I was a stress, my persona kicking in, but it's just me and he's the best. Low end, the low end. I don't know if I could see the end. I fight my friends.
This the finished beat. I sped it up, but I kept the pitch the same. I put distortion on it, maybe a little bit too much. I left it on the default settings, except I just switched the knob from A to B. I turned that down to the EQ, did a little bit of the mids, and boosted some of the high. Soft clipper, it works. It's doing its job.
I've been smoking strong. I can't think
That's the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Comment if you have any questions. I can respond as soon as I can. I got that giveaway too, the 500 sub giveaway, giving away that interface. I'm giving away one of these bundles. So sub if you haven't already. Go follow Instagram @_curse for life. Other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.